how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So if you're facing a problem of your Instagram feed that is not being able to refresh, so what you have to do is you have to open up your Instagram application, and then if you scroll down, then here you can see that it's refreshing my page. So if you are not being able to refresh your page, then what you have to do is you have to go to the bottom right corner, which has your profile icon, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and go to settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy scroll down and then go to help, and under help go to report a problem, and then tap on report a problem. And now you can briefly explain what happened, like you have to write I'm not being able to refresh my feed, and then you can also upload a screenshot of your problem. And after writing and after uploading, you can simply go to send, which is on the upper right corner, and then you can send your problem. And after that, Instagram will take some action on that. But if that still doesn't fix your issue, then you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So to see that, you have to open up your Play Store application, and on the search bar search for Instagram, and then instead of this open button, if you have an update button, then you can simply tap on update and you can update your Instagram, and that might fix your issue. And the last one is you should check that if you have a stable internet connection or not. Like if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you can't refresh your page. So these were the few ways to fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.